Yeah, and that's when I realized that when you can't get to nature, nature comes to you. Hey, I'm Molly, I'm a nature therapist, and I'm also looking out for you caregivers out there. Here's an activity you can do together. Create what's known as a bedside nature tray, then have it change seasonally with fall leaves. Maybe in the spring you add flowers, in the winter you add pine cones, and change it up in the summer with some stones. You want something that they can reach and they can touch anytime. This is accessible biophilia. As someone who lives with physical limitations, having nature within reach is all about dignity. You're honoring their need for beauty and for connection. It's also great for you to have a moment of nature as well. Try it for yourself and follow for more.